For best foods for a healthy heart, 1. Extra virgin olive oil. This is the most consumed oil in the world for a reason. It's cheap, it's readily available, and most of all, it's good for your health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation. I recommend using extra virgin olive oil for cooking and for dressing salads. 2. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart. They can help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease. I recommend eating these fish at least twice a week. 3. Nuts and seeds. These are high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. They're also a good source of protein and healthy fats. I recommend eating a handful of nuts or seeds every day. And 4 whole grains. These are high in fiber, which can help improve blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. I recommend eating whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. And there you have it, the 4 best foods for a healthy heart.